Hey everyone, welcome back to my IGTV. I just realized I have not actually ever done a get to know me tag. Without further delay, I think let me answer some of your popular questions. My name is Rohina Anand Khira. What's my pet peeve? It is being called Rohini or it's being called Dio. No. I think my star sign is Gemini. How old am I? To answer that question, I graduated in 2001 in my 10th grade, so just do the math. Did I study interior design? No, no, I have not. I've actually only studied woven textile design, and I own my own brand called AA Living in Mumbai, and we sell home decor linen. Am I married? Yes, since 8 years now. Do I have kids? Yes, I have kids. I have 2 girls. One is 7 and one is 2. One subject I was absolutely hopeless in school, math. I'm absolutely terrified of anything that has to do with math. I think that was one of the reasons I actually chose my husband, because he's so good at math and I never want to ever have to teach my daughters math. So yeah. What is the one reason someone would befriend me? Okay, I think possibly I'm just what you see is what you get, no fake nonsense. I just am who I am, I guess. So 3 things nobody knows about me. I mean, maybe you all don't know this about me, but my friends do. So I had a honeymoon baby. I cry in movies really easily. And I pray every day. Favorite song of all time? Okay, so I think Slow Dancing in a Burning Room by John Mayer. I love John Mayer. Piercing and tattoos? No, I'm too boring a person to have all these cool things. Dog or cat? I don't know, I'm not really a pet person, but I would play with both if there was someone else's. What's my favorite perfume? Okay, it has to be Jo Malone. I think you all know that. So I like to layer jasmine, sambac and marigold with a little bit of wood sage and sea salt, I think. 3 things on my bucket list. Okay, so I really want to go to Ubud once. I really want to live overseas for a few years again, and I think 3 would be see John Mayer play live in concert. Yeah. The meaning behind my brand handle, AA Living. Okay, so it's actually what my store stands for. My store is AA Living, and the A stands for Ajianand, which is my dad's name. So it was an export showroom owned by him before I came in, and yeah, my Instagram handle just started kind of showing what I was doing new and designing new in the store, and then now it's snowballed into this. So yeah, I just kept the handle and changed it. What is the one thing I would change about myself? Okay, I think I overthink things too much. I just need to be more easy. Yeah. Go-to outfit. Okay, I think I'm definitely involved hoop earrings and just a maxi, loose maxi dress. I'm very that easy breezy type. Favorite holiday destination? Switzerland, I think. Yeah, just really relaxed place. Wait, let me rate my childhood from 1 to 10. Okay, so I think 7. I think I had a good childhood, but I was just a really a mousy, quiet child, and I was not a front runner in anything. Just one in the crowd. Favorite movie? Okay, I think it has to be Notting Hill actually, because Hugh Grant, Julia Roberts, I think just too good. Yeah, dream team. I love them. What phone do I have? I've got an iPhone 11 Pro. How do I edit my photos? So I usually use Lightroom. It's my favorite. And I also use Lightroom presets and all sometimes, because I think it just gives that little really professional touch to the photographs. So what advice would I give to upcoming content creators? So I think firstly, have a USP. How are you going to be different from the thousands and thousands of people doing this already? Be consistent, post every day, and let people get invested in what you're doing. Don't post many times 1 month and then just go MIA after that. And I think don't quit your day job. I think till you don't get a steady stream of income from blogging, please keep some steady source of income. And it's not a job really that you can say, okay, I'm going to go be an influencer, and you quit a day job and you just start influencing one day. It doesn't work like that. And I think lastly, just don't buy followers and get into this whole rat race of things. Instagram is very smart, and they'll just cap any organic growth that you would really get from the app. So So thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you actually got to know me better by this tag. Should I say that? I don't know.